These are the sounds of alphabets. Please, all the parents are requested to help your child to learn these sounds because it will help your child while doing the words. Thank you.
Hey everyone, how are you? कैसा रहा ये आपका कल का दिन? I hope you enjoyed. Let's start our today's class, but before that, we will do some exercise. Why we will do the exercise? हमको exercise क्यों करनी चाहिए? Because exercise makes our body fit. हम exercise करते हैं तो हमारी टमी नहीं निकलती, हम मोटू मोटू नहीं होते, एक्टिव रहते हैं. So when you will get up in the morning, after that you will go to toilet, fresh up होंगे, brush करेंगे. After that you will do some exercise. What type of exercise you will do? Let's see. First of all, you will keep your hands like this, straight. Stretch करना है, खींच रहा है. Stretch. Side. Stretch. Stretch your arm. इधर खींचना है, इधर खींचना है. ऐसे stretch. Straight up. इससे आपकी हाइट इंक्रीज होगी. Up. Up. Touch the sky. Touch the sky. Again, slowly, slowly we'll go down, down. Again, we will follow the same. Straight, stretch. Up, stretch. Slowly, slowly down. Slowly, slowly. Again down. You will do 5 times this exercise. Today I will teach only one exercise. So you will do 5 times, but very slowly. सब फ्रेश होंगे मॉर्निंग में, ब्रश करेंगे, बाथ लेंगे. आफ्टर दैट यू विल डू एक्सरसाइज. और उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? यू विल हैव 1 glass of milk with some egg or nuts, बादाम. आपको सबको खाना चाहिए. Okay? These all things keep your body strong. Okay, let's start our today's class. Yesterday we have done A to Z. कल हमने A to Z किया था. Let's revise one more time because you will write one more time in your notebook. Let's revise that. A to Z. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says F. F says F, G says G, S says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says A, V says V, W says V, X says X, Y says Y, and Z says Z. So you will revise A to Z along with the sound जरूर लर्न करें. ओके, और न्यू स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं. जो मैम आपको साउंड करवा रही है, मस्ट लर्न दैट साउंड. A says a, B says b, ऐसे ही बोलना है. If you will not learn these sounds, जब मैम आपको वर्ड्स करवाएंगी तो आपको नहीं आएंगे. So follow the instructions. What the instructions are given by the teachers. जो टीचर्स बोलती हैं उसको फॉलो करना है. Because you all are good children. So let's come. Today I will introduce one new thing. जो ओल्ड स्टूडेंट है, ऑलरेडी दे आर हु आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द नर्सरी क्लास, दे ऑल नोज दैट. बट जो न्यू स्टूडेंट है उनको भी तो सीखना है ना. सो लेट्स कम. यू हैव दीज 4 लाइन्स इन योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक. पिंक लाइन और रेड लाइन एंड दीज 2 blue line, then again pink line. So what you will do? You will start from blue line. अब आज फर्स्ट टाइम मैम सिखा रही है, so I will put the dot. हमको second line, this is first line, this is second blue line. We will start our stroke from second blue line. And upper line, first line means upper line. And this is second line. First line पे we will make the dot like this. We will make 2 dots like this. Okay? And we will start writing from this dot. This dot to this dot. We will match from this to this. This is stroke. Again, this is stroke. Again, this is stroke. You will write this type of on the full page. Just wait, I will teach in the notebook also. Why we will do it? क्यों करते हैं ये stroke? क्यों सीखते हैं? ये भी एक बात है. Because you all know capital ABC. Capital ABC आती है. You all knows. Now we will teach you small ABC, small cursive ABC. हम आपको cursive ABC सिखाएंगे. So this stroke will help you to write small a, B, C. Every letter will start with stroke. All 26 letters will start with stroke. So let's come with me. I will teach in the notebook also. Come with me. This type of notebook, this is called English notebook. All of you know, you will cover this notebook with the orange color. Orange color के पेपर से आप अपनी नोटबुक को कवर करेंगे. इस समय मैम की नोटबुक कवर नहीं है, इट्स नॉट कवर्ड, बट यू विल कवर इंग्लिश नोटबुक विद द orange color paper. So let's start. First of all, you will put the date here, classwork here, A to Z you will write here. Okay. After that you will start writing. And be careful. जो आपका फॉर्मेशन है, फॉर्मेशन मीन्स जो आप बना रहे हैं, इट शुड कम इन द 3 लाइन्स, 1 2 3, रेड लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन. उससे बाहर आएगा तो मैम आपके मार्क्स भी कर सकती हैं. सो योर राइटिंग शुड बी वेरी नीट. अच्छा काम करोगे तो आई विल गिव यू स्टार, स्माइलीज. नाउ इज स्पीक अप द साउंड ऑल्सो. A says a, B says b, C says k, D says d, E says f, F says f, G says g, H says h, I says e, J says j, K says k, L says L, M says ma. N says na. O says o. P says pa. Q says qua. R says r. S says sa. T says ta. U says a. V says va. W says vah. X says x. Y देखो, Y छोटा V बनाया, then put a line like this. Y says ya. Z says z. So you will write this, all this A to Z along with the sound के साथ करना है. On the next page, what you will do, you have these two blue lines. Blue line से you will put the dot like this. फिर यहाँ पे dot लगाना है और फिर इसको इसके साथ join करना है. It's slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting lines. Slanting line. Slanting line. पहले नीचे वाले पे लगाना है, then upper, lower, upper या first and second line. जो easy way लगता है उसको follow कर लेंगे. This line to this line up. This line to this line up. Go up. Go up. Like this you will write on the full page. Okay.